Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. It's 5:31 on a Saturday morning, which is much too early. I've fired up Intimidator, my Chevy Tahoe. I've got my coffee. And we're fixing to head to Hoganville, Georgia to pick up our next project. So we've arrived in downtown Hoganville, Georgia. Quaint little community. If you've never been here, welcome to Hoganville. Really cool old theater. This little downtown area. Well, we have completed our little road trip for the weekend, and we have brought home a new project. I think we're going to be dubbing this one Hutch, after the hit series from the 80s, Starsky and Hutch. If I remember correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong, Starsky had the curly dark fro, and Hutch was a blonde guy. And since this is a blonde guy, I think Hutch is probably appropriate. Going with the rule that I always follow, that cars are girls, trucks are boys. Looks like this bedside is probably going to have to be cut off and replaced. It looks like somebody really farmed it pretty hard. It's wrinkled all the way back here, and I'm once again an official member of the Ugly Bumper Club for a bit. And a little tidbit to note, there's a trailer hitch in there, and the farmer who owned this apparently welded it to the frame and to the bumper, so getting it off where I can replace the bumper is going to be a blast. But you know, it's a project, and that's what we do around here, right? The dash appears to have been replaced. Of course, we have the old famous let's throw a cheap seat cover over the upholstery instead of fixing it thing. We've been down that road before. Y'all have seen me reupholster seats in earlier episodes. Door panels are probably could be cleaned up, but they're faded pretty bad, and the old grippy armrest has seen better days. And let's take a look under the hood. I was thrilled when I saw the bumper guards already on it. I had those on the 70, and apparently those trade like gold these days. The old stock V8 still in her. I haven't had a chance yet to check the SPID to verify whether it is a 5.7 or a 5.0. You'll notice there are 4 spark plugs, so it is a V8. And looking here, we see that apparently stock it had a 4.3 liter in it, so apparently engine's been changed out at some point. So much the better. Cranks and runs. This is a no air conditioning truck, just a heater, so this will be a prime candidate for vintage air. Just pull the old heat box out, do the modifications to the dash, and put in vintage air, and it'll be cleaner under the hood and cleaner inside. The glove box is black, which tells me it's been replaced, which tells me this SPID probably is not related to this vehicle. I'll do some looking to verify on that, but I'm pretty sure that's a mismatch. We've got some hanky wiring going on. There's a cigarette lighter just laying loose above the ashtray. There's a boat connector hanging under the steering wheel. You see there for boat trailer lights. I'm not sure what that's all about. Got the racing gauge package. As you can imagine, that'll be going away soon. But the good news is I'm not going to be doing rocker panels anytime soon because they actually look good. I know, crazy. I bought a truck with decent rocker panels. Who had ever heard? Of course, the bed's been farmerized, but it just looks like surface rust. I don't see any holes in it. Should be able to clean that up, repaint it to match the rest of the truck, and then throw some colored texture bed liner across, clear textured bed liner across that, clean it up. The only body rust I've seen is this right here. I believe a little zip, 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 and a and that'll be gone. Driver's side looks a lot better. It's had a little brush on the bed with something close. Gate, parking lot, beer store, who knows. It's got the old dog dish hubcaps. Not sure if those will be staying around, but decisions will be made. And of course, as typical with any truck I buy, there's a dent in the roof, but not anything that doesn't look like I can't fix. But yeah, so there's the next project. You'll be seeing videos on this as we work and restore him back to his former glory. Y'all be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with what's going on, and we'll let you know more as situations develop with Hutch.